Deep within this high-tech facility, millions of animal bones are transformed into the world's most luxurious creams.
The complex process begins with the arrival of raw animal bones sourced from strictly regulated food production.
Advanced X-ray sensors scan every bone to ensure absolute purity before they enter the first processing.
High-pressure steam removes all residual fats and oils, preparing the bone structure for the vital collagen.
Powerful grinders reduce the bones into a fine powder to maximize the surface area for the extraction.
A specialized acid leaching process dissolves the minerals, leaving behind the pure protein known as Ocean 4. Technicians monitor the chemical balance with scientific precision to ensure the protein remains intact and highly effective. Controlled heating triggers the hydrolysis process, transforming the raw protein into a high-quality liquid collagen base.
Ultra-fine ceramic filters ensure the solution is perfectly clear and free from any unwanted microscopic particles.
Vacuum evaporation removes excess water, concentrating the collagen into a powerful syrup for the final cream formulation. Collagen is blended with botanical oils and moisturizers to create the foundation of the luxury cream.
Hyaluronic acid and vitamins are added to enhance the skin rejuvenating properties of the final cosmetic product.
High shear homogenization breaks down particles to ensure the cream is silky smooth and easily absorbed today. Every batch is tested for viscosity to ensure the texture meets the luxury brand's incredibly high standards. Sterile glass jars move down the assembly line, waiting to be filled with the finished luxury product. Precision nozzles dispense the exact volume of cream into each jar, ensuring zero waste and absolute consistency.
Gold-rimmed lids are applied and tightened by robotic arms to maintain a perfect airtight seal always.
Every unit is laser-etched with tracking data to ensure the highest level of consumer safety and optical sensors scan for any physical defects on the jars to ensure only perfect units are boxed.
Jars are placed into luxury boxes, reflecting the premium nature of the ingredients derived from the factory. Holographic seals are applied to prevent tampering and provide the consumer with total peace of mind today.
Thousands of finished units are packed into cases every hour to meet the global demand for beauty.
Pallets of luxury creams are loaded into climate-controlled trucks to preserve the delicate chemical formula integrity.
Under the microscope, the pure collagen fibers are revealed as the building blocks of healthy, glowing skin.
Water purity is essential, so the factory utilizes advanced filtration systems to remove every single trace impurity. Nothing goes to waste, as the minerals extracted from the bones are repurposed into high-grade fertilizers.
Heat stability tests ensure the cream maintains its consistency, even in the most extreme global climate conditions.
The physical breakdown of millions of bones is a heavy industrial task requiring incredible power and precision. Solar energy powers a significant portion of this refining process, reducing the factory's overall environmental carbon footprint. Daily sterilization of all equipment is mandatory to maintain the pharmaceutical-grade standards of this refined facility. This clear syrup is the essence of millions of bones, transformed into a powerful bioactive beauty ingredient. The final blend is a masterpiece of chemistry and industrial engineering, providing a truly unique tactile experience.
Jars are sterilized at high temperatures to ensure that no bacteria interfere with the shelf life of product.
Even the packaging components are inspected for quality to ensure the luxury aesthetic is maintained throughout the line.
From this factory, millions of units are shipped to the most exclusive retail locations in the world.
Specialized materials simulate human skin to test the absorption rate and effectiveness of the collagen cream formula.
The logistics of managing thousands of high-value ingredients require a sophisticated and fully automated inventory system.
Scientists modify the molecular weight of the collagen to ensure it penetrates deep into the skin's layers.
Every label must be applied with perfect alignment to reflect the high quality of the product inside.
Around-the-clock production ensures that the factory can keep up with the ever-growing beauty market.
The intermediate stages of production involve turning the bone protein into easily manageable sheets for further processing. Reagents help identify any trace minerals remaining in the solution that could affect the final cream's color.
Centrifugal force separates any remaining solids from the liquid protein, ensuring a perfectly clear and pure base. Industrial-scale weighing systems ensure that every batch of cream is identical in its composition and performance.
Handheld sensors allow for quick spot checks of the environment throughout the entire multi-stage refining process.
Positive air pressure prevents any dust or outside contaminants from entering the sensitive cream filling and packaging.
Safety is a top priority as workers manage complex chemical and industrial processes within this high-tech.
Branding is integrated into every component of the packaging to create a truly premium experience for user.
Moisture control is vital for the chemical reaction that dissolves the minerals and releases the bone protein.
Massive boilers are the heart of the facility, providing the thermal energy needed for extraction and sterilization.
Sensitivity. Hypoallergenic testing is performed on every batch to ensure the cream is safe for even the most.
The filling process is a display of precision and cleanliness, ensuring every jar is a masterpiece today.
Redundant power systems ensure that the sensitive chemical processes are never interrupted by any external power failure.
Manual cleaning of the nozzles ensures that no residue from previous batches can contaminate the new product. From this central hub, the luxury cream is shipped to the most affluent markets across the world.
The combination of animal-derived proteins and botanical extracts is the secret to this high-performance formula.
Final human inspection is the last line of defense, ensuring the product meets all luxury brand requirements.
Neutralizing the acids used in the extraction process is a critical part of the factory's environmental responsibility. Spectrophotometry provides a scientific measurement of the cream's whiteness, ensuring every jar looks exactly the same today. Vibration feeders ensure a constant and controlled flow of bone powder into the leaching tanks for efficiency. Botanical extracts are kept in cold storage to maintain their potency and prevent any degradation of active. Centrifugal testing ensures that the final solution is completely free of any solids or potential mineral sediment. Individual serial numbers allow for total traceability of every single unit produced by the factory for safety.
Safety protocols are audited daily to ensure that all workers are protected during the high-tech process.
Manual adjustments allow the team to fine-tune the production speed based on the day's specific goals. Air scrubbers remove all pollutants from the factory's emissions, ensuring that the surrounding environment remains clean, always.
Spreadability is a key metric for luxury creams, and it is measured using specialized high-precision instruments.
The entire factory is controlled by a sophisticated software system that optimizes every single stage of production.
Real-time inventory tracking ensures that the factory never runs out of the packaging materials they need.
The luxury experience starts with the packaging, which is designed to protect and showcase the final product. The continuous innovation in the lab leads to the development of new and more effective luxury cream formulas. Fragrance is a key component of the luxury experience, and it is carefully selected for its appeal. High-speed palletizing allows the factory to process large orders and ship them to global markets quickly. Every case is inspected to ensure that the product remains secure during the long international shipping journey.
This white powder is the result of millions of bones refined into a pure and powerful protein.
Comprehensive training is the key to maintaining the high quality and safety standards of the refined factory. Fat content must be zero to ensure the collagen remains stable and doesn't interfere with the cream.
Supporting the workforce is a key part of the factory's success in managing such complex industrial processes. Logistics technology allows the factory to track every shipment from the dock to the final retail shelf.
Specialized grippers are used to handle the luxury jars gently and prevent any aesthetic damage during processing.
Compressed air is the lifeblood of the automated line, providing the energy for filling, capping, and labeling. Smear tests determine the absorption rate and the final finish of the cream on the skin's surface.
High-value ingredients and products require constant security to prevent any unauthorized access to the refined facility.
Voice-directed technology helps workers manage complex orders with a high level of accuracy and speed today.
The geographical marker on the packaging reflects the high quality and origin of the luxury beauty product. Solar energy is a critical part of the factory's sustainability goal, reducing the overall reliance on grid.
Consistency in the botanical oils is just as important as the collagen to maintain the final color.
Robotic systems manage the high-density storage of finished goods, ensuring they are ready for shipping instantly.
The final result of millions of refined bones is a cream that provides a truly luxurious experience.
Air showers remove any loose particles from the workers before they enter the sensitive cream filling area. Solubility testing ensures the collagen will blend perfectly with the other ingredients in the final cream formula. QR codes allow the global logistics team to track every single case from the factory to destination.
Nitrogen blankets prevent oxidation of the sensitive oils, ensuring they remain potent for the final cream blend.
Protein loft is an indicator of the quality and purity achieved during the acid leaching and extraction.
This high-tech refining facility is a model of modern industrial engineering and sustainable beauty production today.
The journey ends with a consumer who benefits from the science and the refinement of the factory.
The final check confirms the overall quality and safety of the product before it leaves the factory.
Experience the amazing precision and dedication required to manufacture the world's most luxurious creams from bone.
Now you have seen the full process of how luxury creams are made in this refined factory.